On February 2nd, 1951, Major Thomas J. Cawley was elected Colonel of the Accompong town, St. Elizabeth. Cawley and two other elders vied for the highest leadership position in Accompong. Ever since the Maroon community was established, the elder members would come together, nominate, and vote for a colonel. For the first time, a modern way of voting was done under adult suffrage. The rest of the community were given the chance to vote. The majority vote went to Mr. Cawley. This election showed the political savviness of residents of Accompong in choosing to adopt the modern way of voting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.